Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful brown smoky eye. It's a very useful look. You can do it for a casual event, or if you want to zhuzh it up and use it for an elegant event, it all works out. So let's go.
Prime your eyelids with some concealer. For today's look, you are going to need some brown eyeshadows. Place a dark brown color in the outer corner of the eye. Blend it with a lighter shade. So there are no harsh lines, blend everything with a shade close to your skin color. It should look something like this. Apply your foundation. And apply your concealer. To bring shape to your face, add contour or bronzer. Also add some blush. With the same brush, connect the underline of your eye. Fill in your eyebrows with the product of your preference. Add some shimmer to the inner part of your eye. Curl your lashes and add some mascara. Line your lips and fill with the lipstick of your choice. Set with powder all cream or liquid products. Apply highlighter to the highest point of your face. And this is the final product. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye!